Spiders versus insects. How are they different? By Mrs. Hernandez. Insects are a large class of animals. There are many different kinds of species, just like you see in this picture. Insects can be ladybugs, flies, grasshoppers, dragonflies, beetles, so many different kinds of little bugs. Now, they all have some things in common. They all have 6 legs. Most of them will have wings, and most of them will have antennae. How many antennae do they have on their heads? 2. They will have 2 antennae, 2 wings, and 6 legs. There's only a few that don't have wings or antennae. For example, look at this bug right here. You see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And it has its antennae in the front, 2 in the front, and this one also has its wings. Not all insects have wings and not all insects have antennas, but most of them do. And so this one, because you see that it has 6 legs, antennae, and the wings, you know that it is an insect. And what kind of insect is this? This is a bee. Now spiders, they are part of the arachnid family, and they have 8 legs, no wings, no antennae. So they're a little bit easier to spot. They will have 4 legs on one side, 4 legs on the other. They never have wings and they never have antennae. So here we have something else that looks like an insect because it has lots of legs and it's small like a bug, but it is not a bug. It is not an insect. How do you know? Well, let's count its legs. Does it have 6 legs? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 legs, not 6. Now here in the front, you see that it has these. These are not legs and they are not antennae. These are feelers. This helps them to feel around. They're kind of like little hands, okay, but they're not legs and they are not antennae. So this animal here has 8 legs. It has no antennae on its head. And do you see any wings? No, I don't see any wings. So this is a spider. Now I want you to look at these pictures and decide which ones are insects and which ones are spiders. You have to look at everything, okay? Look at how many legs does it have. Does it have 6 legs or 8 legs? Does it have wings? Does it have antennae? And use that to help you figure out the answers. I want on your paper to put a line in the middle. One side will say insects, the other side will say spiders. And look at the pictures from before and draw them on here. The ones that are insects, draw them where it's orange and it says insects. And the ones that are spiders, put them with the green where it says spiders.